Let's now move on, viewers, and shift our focus to the world of sports. And it's a good day for India as far as Commonwealth Games are concerned that are currently underway. And Preeti Pawar, in fact, has made the country proud by winning India's first boxing gold medal in the Commonwealth Games 2026. So this is the big news that we are getting at this point in time. And there you can see how India has won first gold in boxing in Commonwealth Games 2026, and this one has come from Preeti Pawar, and the family is also quite happy. We have got reaction, in fact, of the father of Preeti Pawar as well. Listen into what he has to say.
बेटी ने आज गोल्ड मेडल जीता है, बहुत खुशी है हमें। वो 3 मुकाबले हुए थे, शुरू में तो ठीक थे, दूसरा भी आरसी निकाल दिया और आज वाली कुछ वो थी बस, तो 3 का स्कोर चला, फिर धड़कनें तेज रही। भाई जीतते ही या नहीं जीतते ही, पर सपना पूरा कर दिया बेटी ने।
All right, so that was the proud father you just heard of Preeti Pawar, and he said that his daughter has won a medal and he's very happy today. And we have another breaking input, viewers, coming in at this point in time. After Preeti, Jasmine has also won a gold in boxing. Jasmine clinches gold in 57 kg category boxing test, and Indian boxers now Preeti as well as Jasmine have won gold medals for India. So it's raining gold for India clearly. Jasmine has clinched gold at the Commonwealth Games 2026, delivering a dominant 5-0 victory over Northern Ireland's Michaela Walsh, a 4-time CWG medalist with gold, and at the same time Jadumani from India has won silver medal in 55 kg category at the Commonwealth Games as well. So this is another important update that we are getting at this point in time from boxing. You've got Preeti Pawar and Jasmine putting India on top with gold in boxing, while Jadumani Singh has settled for a silver. India's Preeti Pawar, in fact, viewers, won the first boxing gold for the country at the Commonwealth Games 2026. And then you've got another gold coming in from boxing only, and that was from Jasmine. So a very, very interesting moment there as far as boxing is concerned for India. We've got 2 gold medals on a single day after Preeti. Jasmine, in fact, has won gold in boxing. Jadumani, meanwhile, has won a silver in men's 55 kg category. And viewers, it's raining medals for India at the Commonwealth Games. The tricolour is flying high in Glasgow as Indian athletes continue to deliver one podium finish after another. From stories of sheer grit to moments of pure glory, Team India isn't just winning medals, it is scripting history. Then another triumph, in fact, has come from the judo mat, where India stamped its authority with gold medals in both men's and women's events. Meanwhile, India's golden boy Neeraj Chopra once again proved why he's a global star, clinching a silver medal with another commanding performance. And here's a talking point for sports fans. Pakistan's Arshad Nadeem, often projected as Neeraj's biggest rival, was never really in the race. While Neeraj stood on the podium, Nadeem finished a distant 9th. Karishma is joining us on the phone line for more on this. Karishma, what a wonderful day for India. Clearly, you know, as far as Commonwealth Games are concerned, 2 gold medals in boxing and many other medals from other sports as well. Okay, I think there's some problem with the line out there. We'll try and reconnect with Karishma a bit later and get you more updates on that one.